Okay, everybody, we're going to look at Human, Rag and Bone Man. I'm going to chuck the capo on the first fret straight away there, and we're going to jump straight in. This is how to play it just like the original. You can chuck this on here, and you're going to sing it along with the original, okay? So, simple chord structure is what I'm going to show you, and it is a simple, starts with the A minor, okay? A minor shape, okay? There's So A minor to G, that's where we're going. A minor to G, that's the whole verse, okay? Now, I do a few hammer-ons as well, but you don't need to do that, okay? So it's da-da-dum, 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 da, down, up, down, down, up, down, G, down, up, down, down, up, down. And then we're gonna move to an F, F, to a D minor, down, up, down, down, up, down, G, down, up, down, down, up, down. Okay? And that's pretty much the whole song. That is pretty much everything that you need to know. You got the A minor shape, a G shape, you got the F, a D minor, and at the end, there is going to be a C. And it changes around there. That's it. That's all the chords in the entire song. So, I'm going to go through this, right? And it's like this. Maybe I'm foolish, maybe I'm blind, and I can see through this, see what's behind. Got no way to prove it, and maybe I'm blind. A minor to G, back to the F, 'cause I'm only human after all. D minor, I'm only human after all. Don't put your blame on me. Back to the A minor, to G, A minor. And that's the whole song, and even in the chorus, it goes, whoa, some people got a real A minor to a G, A minor, to a G, A minor. All up, downs, up, downs, up, downs, up, downs. That first part, that da-da-dum, da-da-dum, dun, da-da-dum. You could just do a nice up and down. But it's nice to have that pause in there just to give it some dynamic, some emphasis on the song. I think that's pretty much how the original is as well. And I like to play this one like the original. I do sing it a little bit different to the original. I kind of go higher in different places and do different things. So yeah, so we'll run for that again and go for each part. So we've got A minor, G, A minor, G. Maybe I'm foolish. Maybe I'm foolish, maybe I'm blind, and I can see through this, see what's behind. Got no way to prove it, maybe I'm blind. And that part is just the A minor and G right way through, and then we go into the build up to the chorus. It says, I'm only human, F. After all, I'm only human, D minor, after all. Don't put your blame on me. A minor to a G, A minor. And it's, whoa, some people got a real problem. Some people out of love. Some people think I can solve them. Lord, heavens above. Change, I'm only human after all. I'm only human after all. Don't put your blame on me. Blame on me. And that's it. That's the whole song. It kind of repeats itself right way for the whole song. There's no like bridge or intersection in this that changes on the chords. It's just the very ending has to change. It's quite a unique song for that, where it doesn't change at all for a bridge. Okay, so it's don't put your blame on me. And it jumps to the C. That's the C, 'cause I'm no prophet. To the D minor. Oh, I forgot the words. To the C again. You should go looking somewhere. There's one more chord that I forgot to give you at the start. It goes to an E. It brought me high. So it goes C, D minor, to an A minor. C, to a D minor, to the E. Cause I'm only human after all. I'm only human after all. Don't put your blame on me. Don't put your blame on me. It's a beautiful, beautiful song, and it's got a kind of difficult rhythm to it. I will be honest, it does have a little bit of a difficult rhythm to it when you first kind of get your hands to it and trying to sing this at the same time. That was something that I struggled with a long time when I was doing it. But it's definitely a cool song. I actually like to do a picking technique in the intro to give it a nice intro, and just a simple. Maybe I'm foolish, maybe I'm blind, and I can see through this and see what's behind. Got no way to prove it, and maybe I'm blind. Cause I'm only human after all. I'm only human after all. Don't put your blame on me. You blame on me. So there's many things you can do in this. You can palm mute it. And give the song some life. Just change it and do your own thing, okay? When you're playing acoustic and it's you're in charge of the story that you tell. And remember that. I think sometimes when people do covers, they don't tell their own story. They just do a cover and they just try and sing it like someone else sings it. Try and do it like you, okay? Do it like you. Sing it like you. Change it. The rhythm that I'm showing you doesn't need to be the rhythm. You can change that as well. There's many different ways of playing every single song, changing the melody and all that sort of thing. And I think being uniquely you, even when singing covers, is something also very beautiful in music. Some of the better musicians that I've ever come across that sing covers, they might not be massively famous, but they have their own uniqueness, even when singing a cover. So yeah. Guys, I think that's me done for this one, and I hope you enjoyed it. So yeah, the simple chords, just again, A minor, G, F, oh, my cats are fighting, D minor, and then there's a C, and there is also an E there, right at the very end. Guys, that is Human Rag and Bone Man. I've been Scott. If there's songs that you want me to give you a hand with, for like simple acoustic songs, that's what I'm doing, please let me know in the comments, and I hope you enjoyed this one. I enjoyed this one. I love singing this song. Not that I'm singing. I'm definitely not singing properly right now, by the way. I've had a weekend of enjoyment. But yeah, and it's Monday. I'll catch you later. Okay, bye-bye.